Benefits from real estate sometimes require extra steps and responsibilities. If you're considering becoming engaged in real estate, then you may also be considering the job title of landlord. While this is a great way to make an investment and a living, you will want to consider several things before designating yourself for this role. Prior to beginning the process of becoming a landlord, you will want to make sure that you can profit from it. This means finding the right place for future tenants and having the ability to market and find the right tenants that you may want in your property. If you're thinking about renting property to others, having the ability to reach out to the right client can help. If you decide to become a landlord, you will want to make sure that you can handle it. You will want to ask yourself whether you are fit to handle the different personalities of tenants. Dealing with tenants who are paying the rent late, taking advantage of the property, and a myriad of other problems will often arise. Due to these things, the maintenance and upkeep of different rental areas become a prominent component of the job. You will need to make certain that you can take on different situations effectively and make certain that you can find the right way to care for the different needs of everyone on the premises. Of course, becoming a landlord could be beneficial for you. You won't have to do much work and will only have to collect the rent if you have the right people in the right place. Most landlords, if they have a large number of properties, will hire help, such as a property manager, in order to handle extra problems that may arise. You could have the ability to take a year-long vacation while the rent is being consistently collected and the property cared for. By finding someone else to manage your property, you will have the ability to produce a consistent income that will bolster your financial well-being without having to deal with the hassle of property ownership.